Hello there everybody and welcome back to another diecast video. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Lotus Exige RGT by KiNSMART. So as you can see, it's got this little paint scheme right here. It's got the number there, number 16. And this is a 132 scale 2012 Lotus Exige RGT made by KiNSMART. So let's start right here at the front of the car. Here's a nose. Got the Lotus logo there. Let's try to zoom in. Look at that Lotus logo. This car is also a bit scratched up, like the Sesto Elemento that I made a review of a few days ago. I also used this a lot when I was a kid. Just raced it a lot, crashed it a lot. You can see it's mostly got scratches here at the front. I got headlights are pretty good detail over there, as you can see. I like the headlights on this car. It's got the vents over here as well. It's got the shapes of those little vents. And also here the hood, it's got that design. The windshield, got the big wiper, goes all across the windshield. Got the Lotus decal here. Got the roof scoop. That thing isn't really colored black there in the intake, so it's missing a bit of detail there. It's also scratched up a bit. And see at the side, got the Lotus logo once again, along with the UK flag. Got the dashboard. The doors themselves actually don't open that much. You see, it's just this. This is the most that it opens, which is a bit of a shame, but yeah. So let's try to actually see the interior here. It's gonna be a little difficult because the door's not open that much. You can see it's got a fair bit amount of detail there. It's got the actual pedals. I think those are 2 pedals. So it's got the paddle shifts as well. Got the steering wheel looking really nice. Got the air vents or air conditioning. It's got the dashboard. You also got handbrake there. Center console. Let's try to look at it from this angle. As you can see, it's the dashboard. Very nice. It's all in one color. The seats are also modeled quite nicely. See a bit of detail there. Let's now move on to the back of the car. So you see this. I like this a lot because you can actually see the engine here. You got the engine cover. Can't really open it, but still you can look at that engine, and it's modeled very nicely. As you can see, you got the Lotus performance logo right there. You can see all the parts there in the engine. Really nice. It's pretty impressive that they did that. And you see it's got the we've got the wheels. The wheels are pretty much white. See the tires are also kind of thin, but that's really how it is on the real car. Very nice rims right here. And at the back we have the wing here. You can see all scratched up as well. And at the rear of the car, see it's got a lot of detail here. As you can see, we have the taillights, got the Lotus badge right there, Lotus logo. Got the Exige RGT badge as well. Got the exhaust and the diffuser as well. This is nice. It's got the vents. It's got the paint scheme going around here. Very nice paint scheme. And yeah, that's the diffuser. Pretty much goes there. Air goes there from the bottom of the car and upwards. And that's pretty much it. So it's Lotus Exige RGT. Very nice. I like the paint scheme as well. And yeah, surprisingly good detail there at the engine there. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you guys enjoyed this, please leave a like, share, and subscribe. Please comment down below if you want to see more this content. So yeah, stay blue, my friends. Goodbye.